this is Yen and welcome to YenTeach Channel. So for today's video, I will teach you how to add thumbnail on your YouTube videos. So click your profile, then click your channel, and then click manage videos. So we'll wait until it loads. So after clicking manage video, as you can see, click this icon and then scroll down, and then as you can see, there is here a thumbnail. Select or upload a picture that shows what is in your video. A good thumbnail stand out and draw viewers' attention. So we'll just upload a thumbnail and then find your thumbnail that you created. So just find here, scroll down, and here it is, and then click open. So as you can see, we already added a thumbnail, and then click save. So here it is, we already added a YouTube thumbnail. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.